Hey guys, it's Caleb from Rokblokz. Today up on the lift we have a brand new Ford Maverick. We've got a mud flap kit, and so we're going to take you along for the ride and show you how to install it. The tools required for install are a level, a flathead or something to pull inserts with, a 9/32 socket to help remove the factory hardware, and then a Phillips head screwdriver, which we're going to be using our right angle screwdriver for this install. Here we have your front flap laid out. What you'll get in your kit is the flap for that corner, and then we'll go ahead and put the breakdown of the hardware on the screen right now. Now that we're at the front of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and remove the factory hardware, and then we will go ahead and place our clips over the upper two mounting points, and then we'll begin mounting the flap. So let's go ahead. We're going to remove the insert here, here, and here. We've already popped the centers out, so it's easy for us to remove. All you'll need to do is take your screwdriver and just pull the center out, and then they'll come right out. Now for the upper two holes, we'll place our clips over top, lifting the liner out of our way and aligning our clips with those holes. Now we'll replace the liner and grab our flap. Now with the flap, we'll take our push insert, we'll get it, and we'll get that started just by clicking it into place without pushing in the center quite yet. That will let us align the other two holes and then start our screws by hand. Now that we've got those snug down, we're going to take our level, check our adjustment, set it to where we like it, and then we'll go ahead, push the center in here, and fully tighten our other two screws down. Now with those fully tightened down, that's the front installed. You can repeat those same steps on the other side. Let's go ahead and jump to the rear. Here we have the rear laid out. What you'll get in your kit is the flap for that corner and the hardware. We'll go ahead and put that breakdown on the screen right now. Now that we're at the rear of the vehicle, we're going to remove the OEM hardware to begin. We're going to remove the insert from here and these two screws. We'll use a 9/32 socket to remove those, which we've already pre-loosened ours, so we'll go ahead, get those out of the way. And then we'll just pull this upper insert. Now we'll replace the upper hole here. We'll replace that insert with a clip, placing it on the metal fender, aligning the hole up with the hole. And now we're good to begin mounting our flap. To begin mounting, we'll take one of our screws, put it through a washer, place a washer on the back side as a spacer, and then that's going to go into the OEM insert right there. We're going to repeat that same step for the next hole, and then the top hole will be a screw with washer. So let's go ahead and get that second hole, putting a washer on the screw and putting a washer on the back side. Now for the upper and final hole, we'll just take a screw with a washer, and that's going to go into the red insert that we placed, or the red nylon clip. Now we're going to go ahead, get those lightly tightened up so that we can still move the flap. We'll adjust the flap, and then we'll make our final tightening. Now that we've checked level and we've got the flap set to the position that we like, we're going to go ahead and fully tighten our 3 screws down, fully securing the flap. Alright guys, now that we've got those fully locked down, that's how you complete your install. You can repeat those same steps on the other side. Thanks for watching.